On a beach in Portugal, two young people explained why they're taking 32 European governments to court. Heat waves and extreme drought are more frequent in Portugal these days, says Andre. And Sofia added, "We thought it is now or never to speak up."
They are Claudia, Catarina, Martin.
Today, 6 young Portuguese had their day in court, alleging that governments across Europe are violating their human rights, doing too little to protect them from climate change.
Today's case is about the young. It is about the price that they are paying for the failure of states to tackle the climate emergency.
The argument is that young people in particular face a future of hardship.
Rising heat and air pollution means less time spent outdoors, infringing on children's human rights to education, to play and to engage in recreational activities.
European government lawyers say they accept the impacts of climate change, but that these cases should be heard in national courts first. It is a new legal frontier in the battle to address climate change and force governments around the world to do more to protect young generations who don't have the power to protect themselves. A similar case is ongoing in this country. 4 years ago, 15 young people filed a challenge in BC to put the federal government on trial for what's facing the next generation.
They are already being harmed by climate change, and the federal government, therefore, is violating their rights to life, liberty, and security.
That case has found its way to the Federal Court of Appeal. In Montana, a judge ruled last month in favor of young people who'd accused the state of violating their rights by promoting fossil fuels. It's being appealed, but it demonstrates that young people see the courts as a mechanism to force governments to do more.
It's allowing young people to have a voice and start calling out the injustices that are facing their generation.
If the case brought by young people in Europe is upheld, it could lead to national courts ordering governments to act more quickly to curb emissions. A decision there is expected next year. Eric Sorensen, Global News, Toronto.